Hello everyone and welcome. A while back I did a review of a 4G wireless security camera, and at that time some viewers asked me to review some more 4G cameras. Well, since that time I've been looking around for alternative cameras to review, and they're all pretty much the same. But after looking around for a while, I finally found a camera worth reviewing. This 4G camera that we'll be looking at today is from a company that I've tested their Wi-Fi camera previously. That camera worked out great, so I have no hesitation about testing their 4G version. This 4G camera also has some great features that I thought made it worth reviewing for my audience. Unlike most solar-powered cameras that only have motion detection recording, this camera gives you a choice of motion detecting or 24/7 recording. This camera also has a huge solar panel so that it can keep the camera powered up all the time for 24/7 monitoring. So with all these features and more, I thought this would be a great 100% wireless camera to review. So if you've been looking for an affordable and easy to set up 4G solar-powered PTZ security camera, stick around as I unbox and test this new security camera that I just got from Xega. Alright guys, so when you unbox this puppy, this is everything you get. So let's talk a little bit about some of the features that this guy has, but before we get started testing this guy, do me a big favor and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. That way you get notified every time I do another product review video, DIY project, or a sale at a big box store where I can help you save even more money. Alright then, so this is the 4G solar powered security camera from Xega, available on Amazon, link in description below. At the time of making this video, this kit retails for $159.99, but they also have a $30 discount coupon on their Amazon page, making it even cheaper than that. The warranty on this guy is 1 year, and the dimensions on the camera itself, you're looking at 7 inches by 6 inches by 4 inches. The solar panel, on the other hand, are huge. This is like a double solar panel, so you're looking at 14 inches by 13 inches. Very, very big, enough to keep this guy powered up all the time. So what do you get when you unbox this guy? Well, you get the camera itself, you get the solar panels, you get a couple of power cables, one to hook up the solar panel to the camera, and the other one to pre-charge the camera before you install it. That way you can get everything set up properly when you have a pre-charged battery. You get some metal brackets to hook this guy up, and you get a metal stand for the solar panel. One key feature about this is that everything that I see is a metal alloy, aside from the camera itself, which is obviously an ABS body. But most cameras only bring you plastic brackets. This one brings you metal brackets. That makes it all more durable and should last a good long time. I should also point out that this is a 3G or 4G PTZ solar security camera. No Wi-Fi. You cannot use this camera with Wi-Fi, only 3 or 4G. This camera is IP66 all weatherproof, and as I mentioned previously, this camera gives you the option of motion detection recording or 24/7 monitoring and recording, so you can record all the time without losing any footage. You can record data on the cloud for a monthly fee, or you can use your own SD card up to 128 gigabytes that you can put in the camera, and we'll look at that in a little while. This camera is powered up by a 20,000 milliamp hour battery that is continuously charged by the huge 20-watt solar panels. This camera is a PTZ or pan tilt zoom solar camera, which can tilt up to 95 degrees and pan 355 degrees. This camera also has two-way audio, so you can talk to whoever is on the other side of the camera. So whether it's an intruder or a package delivery, you can communicate with them without any trouble. This camera uses the U-Box app, which is a free downloadable app, and it's very easy to use. Many security camera companies use this app, and it's very easy to use. You may already have this app, so you may already be able to just add this camera onto that app. This app also has the ability to add friends and family for sharing, so you can have other people monitor your property if you want. This camera records in 2K 3MP clear HD video and also has color night vision when enough light is available. If not enough light is available, if it is pitch black with no moonlight or anything, then this camera will record in black and white night vision. This camera also has PIR human detection to reduce false positives. This camera can also be used with any nationwide 4G network, such as AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, etc. The camera comes with a SIM card included, so you can easily get everything set up and running, but that is only for temporary use, then you have to get your own SIM card to keep it going. You can also get this camera without a SIM card if you want to get it cheaper, if you already have a SIM card network all hooked up and ready to go. So this 4G camera is great for any place that you want to go 100% wireless and you have no Wi-Fi network available. Such places as construction sites, farms, barns, empty lots, rental property, RV, or campgrounds. You can also use it for your home, for your driveway, your backyard, etc. These days, criminals are breaking into properties using Wi-Fi jammers to block security camera footage, so having at least one 4G camera on your property is a must. Since it looks the same as a Wi-Fi camera, if the thief tries to block the signal with a Wi-Fi jammer, it won't work, and you'll still get recording of the intruder, and you'll get a push notification that you can contact the police and let them know that an intruder is trying to break into your property. So let's take a little closer look at this guy and see how it performs. Alright guys, let's take a little closer look at this unit, get a little bit better acquainted with it. There you have the camera itself. The assembly is one piece. Basically, the camera itself does not separate itself from the bracket. That's why you have the metal bracket that you put on the back here to attach it to wherever you're mounting it. So the camera there, you have all the different parts to it. You have the lens, you have 4 LED lights and infrared lights and so forth. So they work either to give you color night vision or infrared black and white night vision, depending on the situation. There you have your PIR detector to basically recognize whether it's a human, a box, an animal, etc. Your microphone right there, the speakers around the back, the lens in the middle there, and this camera does rotate from side to side, and it does pan up and down, so you can see everything very clearly wherever you mount it, and we'll take a look at that a little bit later on. Now, as far as all the different things on here, on the bottom, when you turn this guy over, right here at the bottom is where you have all the different things that you're going to use to get this guy hooked up. And there you see right there very clearly you have, let me turn it around so it's a little easier to read it. But you have right there, it tells you very clearly, there's the reset button, the SIM card, that little slot right there. It already comes pre-installed, so you don't even have to do anything with it. And the TF card, SD card, memory card, or whatever it is, you can put it in there if you want to, up to 128 gigabytes. And that way you don't have to pay a monthly fee to have it recorded on the cloud if you don't want to do that. And that way it's right on the camera, and if you have any problems, you can take it out and download your footage, all that kind of good stuff. Now, I have had some people ask me, well, what if somebody comes and tries to steal the footage and so forth? Well, these cameras are supposed to be mounted 10 to 15 feet up in the air somewhere, under the eaves somewhere, so they're not easily accessible. If you're mounting this camera at 6-7 foot high where somebody can easily get it, you're going to lose it. That is not the place to mount it. So always mount these things so that you have to get up on a ladder and you have to get up pretty high to be able to reach it. It's good for security and it's good for the footage that you can record looking through this camera. Now here on the base is where you have all the other things. Here you have the power on off button on this side. You see right there, that is your power on off button. And then on the other side over here, you lift up this little tab right there, and that's where you hook up the power coming from the solar panel. Now, if you don't want to use the solar panel for whatever reason, you can always use the USB cable that comes with it and plug it into the wall, and it'll have power constantly from the wall. But that 20-watt solar panel should keep just about anything powered up forever. That is a double solar panel. That is the hugest solar panel that I've ever seen, and I've reviewed a lot of these cameras over the years. That is the biggest, absolute biggest solar panel that I've ever seen. And the antennas, basically, they just flip up. They don't go side to side. They just go straight up. You have a couple of detents there, and that's where you put it. You can put it aiming out, put it straight up, whatever works best for you, depending on your mounting application. So there you go. That's the camera itself. Very easy, ready to go. Just add it to your U-Box app and you should be ready to go. As far as the U-Box app, like I said, I'm not going to go into it because it's very easy. I mean, everybody knows how to download an app, install it on your phone, your tablet, etc. Create an account and add this guy in. It basically has a QR code that you scan and so forth, and it'll add this guy real easy to do. So I'm not going to go into all that detail. It's super easy to do. So let's get this guy mounted outside and so forth and see how it performs. Alright guys, here we have the camera mounted outside so you can see what it looks like when you mount it up from all sorts of different angles. And I also have the solar panel hooked up to this guy, and the cord on this guy is 10 feet long, so that means that you can put the solar panel anywhere you like so that it gets sunlight throughout the day and keep the camera charged up all the time, especially if you're going to do 24/7 recording. That shows you right there. You can have the camera on a shaded area or like on a tree, on a fence post, or whatever you want, and have the solar panel someplace far away and still keep the camera powered up. So that's what it looks like. Now let's look at some footage. And here we are looking at my backyard through the camera itself, looking through the U-Box app, and you can see it's very sharp, very clear footage. Even though my backyard doesn't look all that great right now, the footage is still beautiful and very sharp. It's the middle of the afternoon right now, and we're going to come back later on at night and see what it looks like with night footage. But in the daytime, it's very clear, very sharp, and you can see all the controls right there on the right-hand side where you can talk to someone, record video, take a photo, do whatever it is that you want to do. And if you want to be able to move the camera around, because it is a PTZ camera, all you have to do is click on the screen and the controls show up. And there you go. There you just click from side to side, and there may be a little bit of hesitation due to the network and stuff like that, how busy it is, how long it takes the signal to travel, etc. But you will be able to get the camera to move from side to side, up and down, etc. And that way you can see anything that's going on anywhere on whatever property it is that you're trying to cover. Especially if you're out in the middle of nowhere and there's no Wi-Fi, there's no power, there's no anything. This is really ideal because with a 4G camera, you're not tethered to anything in particular. You can go anywhere at all and it will get the signal from the 4G network. So that's very convenient right there. And like you see, sometimes there is a tiny little bit of a lag, but that's just the way it goes. I don't get a very good 4G signal in my area right here. That's just the way it goes for me. Some areas will have better signal than others. And I don't have very good Wi-Fi either, but this is not on a Wi-Fi. But anyway, so that's the way it looks if you want to basically move the camera around somewhere, and then you can just set it up wherever you want. There you go. I'm looking up at the sky. You can go up as high as you want. It is 90 degrees and 355, so you can go just about anywhere. And then if you want to zoom in, you just pinch and zoom just like you would on a normal phone, tablet, whatever. Just use your fingers to pinch in and zoom in and so forth. And that way you can see, look at that, at the other end of my yard, you can still see very clearly what is going on way over there. You just pinch and zoom and then move it around with your fingers. You don't even need the controls to do that. Just, move it with your fingers on the screen and it goes wherever you want to go. So that shows you right there, very clear image, nice HD footage. You can see everything you want very clearly. So let's come back at night and see what it looks like in the dark. And here we are at night looking at my backyard, and we're looking through the camera right now using the black and white night vision, the infrared night vision, and look at the great detail that you have. This camera really has good optics on it. I mean, I can see all the way to the fence over there at the other end, which is about 70 feet away, and it's still very clear and sharp, but since there's no light around, we're looking at it right now through the infrared night vision. In a moment, I'm going to click on the little LEDs on the camera here, and we're going to light up the whole backyard and see what that looks like. And you can do that right through the control panel. Just press the little light on the control panel, and there we go. Now we have color night vision. We clicked on the little lights, and look at that. The little LEDs on the camera are powerful enough to light up the entire backyard. Or it's a good combination of LEDs and the optics on this camera, which really pick up a lot of great detail. You can see everything. I mean, you can see the bugs buzzing by and all the dust particles and stuff like that. You can see it's windy out there. You can see the plants moving and so forth. We're looking at actual footage through the camera of everything that's going on right now. So this gives you a great example of how this camera looks like with night vision, both with the lights on and with the lights off. So there you go, guys. If you're looking for a really good 4G camera that is 100% wireless, you don't need power, you don't need Wi-Fi, you don't need anything. It has good night vision, good day vision, very good clarity, very easy to use app goes with it, and all you have to do is supply your own network. You don't need anything else to use it, and it's very affordable at the price that it comes at. So I would say if you're interested in a good 4G camera, check this one out. Check out the Amazon page. I'll put the link down below, and that way you can get more information on this camera and see if it's something that you're interested in. So if you don't want Wi-Fi and you want something that has a huge solar panel, it's 4G, and you can have 24/7 recording, this is a good camera to look into. So there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye for now.